friend! Welcome to our car show! Today we will learn about some amazing car. Are you ready? Let's go! Look! Here's come the big yellow bus. It goes beep beep. The school bus takes kids to school. It's big and yellow. Here's a tractor. It goes vroom vroom. Tractors help on farms. They come in different sizes. Some are big and some are small. Here's the ambulance. It goes Nino, Nino. Ambulance help sick people. They are white and have a red cross. Here's a mixer. It goes whir, whir, whir. Mixers help make the cement. They are so big machine. Alright friends, let's play a fun game. Looking around me, I see many different pictures of cars. Is this a school bus? No, that's not a school bus. Is it here? Yeah, it's a school bus. Great job!